Now we do this on purpose so the people on YouTube could leave one amazing comment after another.
They can tell us how to do it.
You're using the wrong pliers.
Everything you guys are doing sucks.
They're right, but you didn't say it.
Hey, we're right there with you. So big day today for the Vic. The motor's in. What else?
We fired up all the cam networks. Everything's running fine so far, so good progress.
Flashed the VCU. We got all the firmware updated in the car. Now our next steps is to put voltage to this thing and turn the wheels. This is super exciting. We got this thing in under an hour, even with a couple of snafus. We had a problem with the rack and pinion not fitting. We had to pull it all out. Still got the motor in what, under an hour?
That's it, yeah.
Dude, you guys killed it. Loved it. This is awesome. Hey, we'll catch you guys later.